Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix USPS package going back to distribution center, why it keeps going back and forth. First, why it keeps going back and forth. If your USPS package keeps moving between distribution centers or appears to be going back and forth, it is usually caused by a sorting error, incorrect address, barcode scanning issue, weather delays, or transportation problems. Fix 1. Check the tracking details. First, visit the official USPS tracking page and enter your tracking number. Now look for messages such as arrived at USPS regional facility or repeated scans at the same location. Fix 2. Verify the delivery address. Confirm that the shipping address is complete and correct and check for missing apartment numbers, zip code errors, or spelling mistakes. Now contact the sender if any address information is incorrect. Fix 3. Submit a USPS help request. Go to the USPS help request form and provide your tracking number and package details. Now submit the request and wait for a response from USPS. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.